So I've just picked up this DJI Mini 3 drone from Marketplace. I'm going to give it a fly today, see how that goes. I'm pretty excited about this one. High definition 4K camera, so once I take the cover off, should be good. Let's go fly it. $400, bit of a bargain.
Smoke in the air, catch the scent. Oh, smells good. Chilling on the hood where all the time gets spent. From the boulevard flip to the beach we went. Yeah. Hustle, smooth talk, can't pay no rent. Let the energy roll. Flip a coin on the scene, let the summer unfold. Snapping fingers at the homies, yup, we in control. Cause around here we spit life in gold. Retro threads, rocking top down in the breeze. Funky flow, gliding, doing just what we please. Catch the sunset rays, dripping orange with ease. It's a West Coast anthem, living free like the seas. Down the strip with the top peeled back. Sunshine beaming, yeah, the west where it's at.
So I've got heaps of practicing to do to get better at that. First fly wasn't too bad. I actually loved it. Really enjoyed it. So I'm looking forward to having a look back over the footage I've got and putting some things together. Hope you enjoyed it as well. Would I recommend it? Yes, I certainly would. The DJI Mini 3. It's light, it's compact, it's a really fantastic drone. Lots of fun. I'm going to get plenty of use out of this, I'm sure.